As the number of deaths continue to skyrocket from Maryland's opioid crisis, libraries and schools are now being recruited to help with the growing battle. WJZ is live. Jonathan McCall has more on their plans to tackle the problem. Jonathan.
Vic, the drug is already being used by first responders all across the state, but now librarians are being trained on how to administer Nalaxone across the state as well. And soon the drug will also have to be available on campuses across Maryland starting this upcoming school year. Inside a place where stories are read and told, Anne Arundel County Public Libraries are looking to turn a page on a horror story now gripping the state.
This is just another way that we can serve our community in emergency situations.
Hoping for a new outcome in Maryland's opioid war, workers will soon start carrying the drug Nalaxone. The drug can reverse the effects of prescription opioids as well as heroin overdoses. Anne Arundel now joins libraries in Hartford as well as Carroll, training workers on how to use the drug. Right now, 60 workers are learning how to spot signs of an overdose as well as how to administer it. Feldman says the county moved forward with the plans after a woman overdosed at their Annapolis branch last month.
It's sort of the next logical step for us to get involved in trying to address this opioid epidemic.
The opioid epidemic here in Maryland has reached crisis levels, so much so that Governor Hogan has now declared a state of emergency. Here's why. In just the first 3 months of 2017 alone, there were 550 overdose deaths reported. Compared that to 401 in the same time last year. That's an increase of more than 30%. But libraries won't be alone. When a new school year gets underway, all Maryland public schools will be required to carry the drug as part of the Smart Choice Maryland Act. The program will teach kids about the dangers of the drugs as early as 3rd grade. All Baltimore City schools have had the drug stocked on campus since 2015.
Not just for the students, it could also be for parents and caregivers. It could also be for people coming to visit the schools. It could also be people working in the schools.
Anne Arundel County officials plan to take their training a step further coming in the fall when they plan to host a series of public meetings to allow the public to get that chance to also learn on how to administer the drug. Reporting live tonight, I'm Jonathan McCall, WJZ Eyewitness News.
Jonathan, thank you. The training as well as the cost of the drug will be paid by the county health department.